Okay. We are at what do you call this place? Dollar Tree, guys. And you see, it's all Valentine's right now. Valentine's. What happened to Christmas? You don't have Christmas stuff? Huh? Yeah, it's all Valentine's. I was gonna get some, um, what do you call this? Christmas items that are for sale. I'm in sale. Is this a pill box? What's inside this box, hon? Give it or something. Oh, I really love these flowers. I still want to order the seeds from. Seeds are ready, but I still want my seeds. Not now. It's too early to collect seeds right now. Oh, wait, I'm just confused. They had Easter already. Do you already have Easter? I like this. Why would they have Valentine's, Easter, and there is still that green thing? But look at the wreath. How pretty the wreath is. Look at the blue, the yellow. There's the yellow there. But how much are they? This guy's here, it's gotta be $5. Look at the beautiful eggs they got. They gotta be $5. Okay, that's Valentine's here. And the other side is, oh, there is still that green stuff, the Irish kind of stuff. Holiday. This is where my favorite stuff is. Did you see that one? Oh, yeah. I'll buy this assorted papers thing. Oh, this is pretty. Acrylic gemstones. I better look. What do you mean no cookies?
Supposed to be over there.
Oh. I'll get that Hungry Jack because we used the last of that. Get two. She's gonna bring some. The Hungry Jack.
Here?
No. Yeah, that one. Pancakes. Oh, get the fudge. I want to get that fudge.
What's the difference? Complete or the same?
On this fudge. Get that fudge.
How many?
Two. And two of the chocolate chip right there behind.
Only one.
Oh, that's okay then. No problem. I need this one. Marshmallows. I need that marshmallows.
Where? Oh, that?
one. Yeah, another
How
one.
many?
Just one. Oh my gosh, there's only 6 of them.
Yeah.
And I want to go on the other side.
What time is it?
This is my spices, guys. They got rice in tiny little bags. Oh, the cookies are here? Han, you got the mini apple pies right
I
there.
don't like it. I don't like cherry.
What did you get the cherry? Oh,
There's nothing in there. It's
oh, there's nothing. I want to go and buy a cellophane. Did you get this one?
Which one?
European.
You want it?
Yeah, I want that one. Buttery cookies. That one too. That's my favorite. Minis. Get 2 of that because maybe I put some in the package so when because I did that, the kids can have some. Yeah. Oh, give it to Ria. I'll send 2. I'll keep 1 for me. Look at the design of the plates. Oh, you can buy those. Design. Pretty. It's good enough for me. Okay. 10 foils. Oh. Okay. I need cellophane that are the classic wrap. Yeah, right. This. No, not that one. It's just like why can't I remember? The one that is a roll, a cellophane roll to wrap stuff.
How many?
Oh yeah, that one. Plastic wrap, just one. And I need one that is a snack.
What?
Not a snack. 125. Is this a snack? No, that's a photo. No, I want a zippered. Oh, right.
That.
No, the one on the top. The one on the.
Not that many in here.
150, but it's a full top. I don't know. The one that is snacks thing, but it still folds. Zipper, yeah, storage. Sure fresh. 40.
This is the one you give me.
Handy rack snacks. I don't know, but when you're seeing it, you'll just mesmerized. I think we bought a lot, don't we? Oh my gosh, we got a lot. Is that a cut litter?
Yeah.
And it's $1 a bag. Maybe I'll buy this one. Chow mein. Teriyaki beef. Water. There's a Crystal Geyser, Splash Wild Berry, LaCroix, Canada Dry, Alkaline. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of water. Okay, now here's with my dinner. Oh, no spicy. Okay, I want the fettuccine Alfredo. Give me 5. Hey, the one on the top with broccoli. Wait, there is issued for Michelin due to potential. If you have this product in your possession, you are advised to discard it. Yeah. I don't know why won't they just remove it instead of posting this thing. That one, the Alfredo with broccoli, 5. Maybe we should buy tender morsels, see if they like it again. This one, Han. Just get two. Tender morsel. And give one for the dog duck and chicken flavor.
Come
That's one.
here.
Yeah, get two. Then they have a bag here for that $5 bag. The $5 bag of dried food.
Oh,
Oh, I want to get the dog treats. Oh, I just want to buy this dog treats.
I think you got enough.
I think so too. Look at the flower. Are we done?
You done?
I am. Yeah, that's the Iris holiday. Okay, we got out of the store and we're gonna go home. Oh, look at that. That's a buggy. Yeah, that's a buggy. I wanted to see that one. That was from the Amish people. Where did the buggy went? I just saw the buggy right there. If you can see it. Oops. I can see it now. That's interesting. Okay, thank you guys for watching. We're going home because it's too cold. Oh gosh. Dollar Tree, usually you buy things $1 a piece. Now it's $1.25. And some of them they're selling some stuff like $3 to $5. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Stay warm.